Hi, welcome to Cocktails with Tiffany. I'm Tiffany, and today is going to be our Thanksgiving episode. So, with today being the Thanksgiving episode, obviously, we're going to have a lot of cranberry involved, so prepare yourself for that. So, if you guys are ready to drink your way through your Thanksgiving holiday, well, buckle up, bitches. Let's go! Make sure I don't have any lipstick on my teeth. If you're new here, usually what we do is we pair some cocktails with either movies, TV shows, but right now it seems like we're just doing lots of holidays since 'tis the season, I guess you could say. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. If you've been a long time follower, welcome back. Happy to have you guys. And thank you all so much. We are up to 67 subscribers. And if we get up to 100, guess what? I will take a video of Sage showering me with champagne. Try to say that 3 times fast. Sage shower champagne. Sage champagne shower. Yeah, we're going to take a video of me getting showered in champagne. It'll be fun. Good times going to be had by all. Today, we're going to be making a cranberry mule, which I still don't have a proper copper mug, so we're working on that. We're also going to do a cranberry whiskey cocktail. A lot of the same ingredients here. And then we're also going to make a Thanksgiving sangria. Cranberry mule. Let's go ahead and get out our vodka. 2 ounces. 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Lime. Squeeze that in and just toss it. And then some cranberries to garnish us off. Top with ginger beer. Then we have our cranberry mule. I'm going to go ahead and give this guy a little stir. So let's see. It's definitely different. It's not bad. I feel like I'm heavy on the lime in this. I don't know. You can just play around with it. I might add just a little bit more vodka. Maybe just a hair more cran. No. If you're not a cranberry fan, I probably am going to just ruin your day. I'm sorry. What is more Thanksgiving than cranberry? Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Good overall, I would say. Definitely not the worst thing we've ever made here. And now we've moved on to the cranberry bourbon cocktail. So I took a little bit of a twist on this because I forgot to buy the ginger ale. So I'm using ginger beer, which is a lot more spicier. More spicier. It's just a lot spicier and stronger. So you can use ginger beer or you can use ginger ale, which is going to be not as bitey. Again, not even sure if that's a word or not, but that's what we're going to go with. So here we go. Again, we're still going strong with the the Buffalo Trace. Oh, it says 1 ounce. This is, I think Sage said a 1.5 ounce. I'm not the best with this. 1.5 ounce. So I used this last one for 2 ounces, but with all the things being the same, we're just gonna go 1 and 1 on this. So 1 ounce or 1.5 ounce. Just say 1.5 ounce. 1.5 ounce of your bourbon. Cranberry. Again, if you don't like cranberries, it's a little tough luck, man. And ginger beer. You're gonna want to use ginger ale. I'll let you know how this is. But again, sometimes when I do edits to these recipes, they're not always that great. Follow your best judgment. Then for the garnish, I have a little rosemary spring that I skewered through some cranberries because that looked really cool. And ta-da! I'm going to start with this actually. That's handy. Look how festive this is. Look. Festive. Okay. This is a good okay. I'd drink the shit out of this, actually. Try this. He just rolled his eyes at me, probably because I used the word shit. It's fine. Sorry, Mom. It's actually not too bad with the ginger beer. So, again, your best judgment. If you want that more, like, spicy, like, bite to it, go ahead with the ginger beer. But if you want it a little more subtle, then scale it back. Because, you know, bourbon's got a bite of its own anyways. I'm probably cut that out. Why am I like this? All right, now that we've calmed down a little bit from our laughter fit, we are on to the Thanksgiving sangria, which if you want to make sangria, you do not have to use the same ingredients that I'm using. Don't overthink a sangria. Wine, some liqueur, or brandy is what I also saw online. And then also like either some juice or some soda water, just depends. We're going to be doing in ours, we have our fruit in here already, and you can really do any type of fruit, a mixture of fruit that you want. I have pomegranate seeds, some pear slices, orange slices, and lime slices in here. Really went overboard with it because, I don't know, I just wanted to have fun with it. A bottle of cheap Cabernet, $5 at the Kroger. We're going to do some triple sec, and then that pear liqueur that I bought a while back for the Taylor Swift video that we did. I was like, which one was it with? The Peritini that I did. Haven't used it since, and I figured, why not? So we're going to toss that in here as well. That's why there's pear slices. Should be good. Let's see. And then we're going to top it with some soda water. So, without further ado, let's go. First, I'm going to add in half a cup pear liqueur. We have a fancy pear liqueur too. It's from France. I have Sage really tickled now, so now he just keeps laughing at me. We have a good time here, honestly. Half a cup of triple sec or Grand Marnier, any type of orange liqueur that you have. Grand Marnier is just a name brand. Triple sec is also, you know, the cheap stuff, if you will. You know, I'm funding all this myself. All right, Cabernet. Get in there. We'll top it in the glass. Oh, there's a cat. Straw this around. So technically, you're supposed to mix all your alcohol and your fruit together and let it sit for 1 to 8 hours, it says, before you serve. So that way you can really get your fruit soaked in there, the taste, or so your fruits can taste like alcohol. I'm not really sure which way it's supposed to go. Either way. What's everybody's favorite Thanksgiving food? Mine is definitely either the mashed potatoes, the mac and cheese, or the rolls. It's all the starches. Actually, that's a lie. I'm really big into the meats now too. So if the turkey is not dry and it's cooked really well, I'm all for that. But yeah, mashed potatoes, man. I think it's because it's something that's really easy to do and it's really hard to mess up. So mashed potatoes are just like a solid way to go. Ooh. Easy. I am really particular about my mac and cheese though. I found there's this cute little restaurant in Nashville called Mockingbird, and they have the best mac and cheese I've ever had in my entire life. It's so good. Delicious. Hands down. Recommend. They also have really good Brussels sprouts. I've never even had Brussels sprouts before that point, but like, man, so good. I went and met my friend there who actually just had a baby. Congratulations, Mama. I'm so excited. All the new babies. My friends are all having babies. I am not having babies. I am not ready for babies. If my mother-in-law is watching this, I'm sorry. I'm not ready for babies. Or soda water, club soda, Depends on how fancy you are. Oh, cool. Well, no. We'll just add it in as necessary. And you know what? If you want to add some cranberries to this too, why not? Come on. Let's just toss those guys right in there. All the fruit. Maybe I did too much soda. Yeah. Ooh, you could also, if you wanted to, you could do another one of those rosemary garnishes. Pop it right in there. Looks fancy. Okay, yeah, it was too much club soda. This is pretty good. Pretty good, guys. I like it. I didn't know how it's going to turn out with the pear. Because, I don't know, you don't use pear in a lot of stuff. But pear is actually a very refreshing fruit. A very refreshing fruit. I don't know why it's like a sleeper fruit. Like, you don't ever think about it. But it's so good. Those are going to be some Thanksgiving drinks for you guys. And let me tell you, I had a list of things. I even had like a mimosa, cranberry mimosa. Apparently they call them like poinsettias or some, I don't know. They call them different things different places. But it's like just cranberry juice and you're sparkling. You know, that's if you want to start your day off drinking and then you want to kind of tear in like couple other things. Maybe you're waiting for dinner and you want a sangria and you're going to share. Or you can just drink it all yourself. Because that's probably what I'm going to do. So, if you try any of these, drop a comment. Tell me what you like. I know I've had people who've reached out to me who've tried some of my other drinks. Apparently, the Flirtini that we did from my Letterkenny Super Soft birthday party was a hit. Because a couple people told me that they tried it. And they were like, honestly, it was so good. Which really, I'm going to keep recommending that drink. Because it was delicious. Should make those again. Yeah. What kind of holiday drinks do you guys want to see? What is your go-to Thanksgiving beverage? What about Christmas? People, what is your holiday bevy of choice? I just like to call them bevies. Whatever you like to drink, drop it down below. Maybe whenever we do our Christmas, if I don't do anything before then, at least we're going to get a Christmas episode and a New Year's. Which, if we make it to 100, our New Year's could just be me getting showered in champagne. How would that be? That'd be great. That'd be fun. So we're not going to waste it. We're going to buy the cheap stuff. We're not going to waste the good stuff. But yeah, think of some things. We're still working on the studio setup, obviously. We've tried a couple new things here or there. Sage got a new bourbon, which is Eagle Rare. Is that an Eagle Rare? Yeah, he got an Eagle Rare bourbon that he really, really likes. I've tried a couple different types of wine that I really liked and enjoyed. A friend of mine, she studied under a sommelier and she's brought me different things to try. So we've tried a Chablis and we've tried a Bordeaux. And both of those are really good. I think the Bordeaux is a little more like buttery. It was really interesting. It was a little sweet, a little buttery. And I was like, okay, this is nice. I like to try new things. So suggest things for me to try. I'll give it a go. We'll make it on here. We'll do all the things, man. I hope you guys have a happy and safe holiday. I hope you guys are being safe. COVID is very much a thing. I know some people who've personally been affected by this, so make sure that you're taking care and protecting yourselves. Go ahead, if you like what you see, give us a like. Follow, subscribe to the channel if you want to get notified when we put out new videos. We try to do it every week. We don't succeed in doing it every week. But we're happy to be here. Guys, until next time, as always, drink in moderation, never drink and drive, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.